So, hello everybody, good morning, everybody, good morning. I hope you all are awesome. Finally, today I came here and I want to create some videos. You know that why I want to create different videos, because I want to improve my English language. And today I found a new trees. So, this tree name is, that gooseberry trees. Yes, gooseberry, you know that gooseberry trees. It's a Indian gooseberry trees. It's a very different trees. Oh, finally, and I'm standing under the tree. So can you guess, you have any ideas about the trees or not? Chel, if you know about the tree, you can see right now here. So I am standing here under the tree right now. So now I tell you. So this tree name is gooseberry tree. You know that gooseberry, it means amla. So it is totally Indian trees. Yeah, Indian trees. Because why I'm speaking in this time Indian trees, it's a because amla, you know that amla is a fruits, and we can say used in cooking, and we can make some medicine with the help of gooseberry. And in a gooseberry we can it can produce vitamin C. You know that vitamin C. So when you take gooseberry in that times, definitely you will feel very good. But sour, it's a sour. You know that it's a too sour. Clear? So gooseberry, it's a very important tree for your healthy bodies, for your skins, for your hairs, and for your we can say for protecting your body's parts. So this tree is Indian trees. It is very useful all the peoples. Suppose you want to make some medicines like according to the vitamin C. So in the, if you follow the any gooseberry, because there are many gooseberry, and so and then try to curse the fruits in that times, and try to take some food, take, and then definitely you will feel sure. Surely I know that that's the great. So this is the information you can say. So also that this is the bark of the tree. Bark, it means what, why it is there. It's the bark it is very important for. So this is the parts of the bark, and you can say trunk here, and after the trunk there are many branches. You can see speak, there are many branches, and also there are add to the branches twigs, leaves, and fruits. There are many crowns. So all the leaves are green leaves. Why it does happen like green leaves? Because of chlorophyll. So that's why we can say chlorophyll is very important for all the leaves, for coloring difference. So clear, that's great information. So I think you should keep it in your mind and try to make it in your mind. Definitely. Suppose now see, so this is called gooseberry. Clear? So gooseberry, it means amla. Clear? That's the great. And so this is the tree of the gooseberry, and that's the great opportunity for me right now in this time. So that's the great. So definitely, because I want to create some video, I want to make some sentences. Why? Because I want to improve my English language. So that's why I want to make some sentences, different sentences, because you know that if you make different sentences every day, definitely your English language will be improved. And then while speaking English language, never you can't stuck. Okay, so that's why then you should practice every day different way, different sentences. If you practice different sentences, so definitely I suggest to you, I recommend it to you, your English language will be very good. So that's why you should practice a lot of times. Clear? Thank you. So next time we will talk about any things, about any plants, about any words, about any sentences. Clear? So thank you, thanks for watching my video. Next time we will talk to later. Okay.